Two petitions were filed, one by Dominic and second one by Joan. What happened today in that matter?
Both the petitions are allowed by the High Court, saying that there was no live link between the alleged offences and the need for externment of both the petitioners.
It is the second time when the externment order against both of them have been quashed and set aside by the High Court?
No. This has come for the first
No.
time.
Earlier, one matter or...
Earlier, the Chief Secretary was not disposing the appeal filed by us.
Okay.
Therefore, we had to approach the High Court seeking a direction to direct the Chief Secretary to decide the appeal within a specific time period.
So, now both are free to move?
Both are free to come to their home.
Can you tell me brief background why this externment order was issued?
See, basically, they have said that there were 6 crimes registered against Joan and 9 crimes registered against Dominic'S. Therefore, that was the reason why they, according to the prosecution and that the police, that they are required to be externed. And as such, the collector passes an order on the basis of the report filed by the police, SP basically, that they should be extended from North Goa to South Goa for 6 months.
Thank you.
No, both the cases have been disposed. No?
All maximum cases are discharged or a summary has been filed against them. Only 3 FIRs are pending, and that too there was no live link between the offence and the reason for externment. So on those lines, the petitions are allowed.